walking by. She was the finest girl I've seen in my life, till it came down to her curl. It was the driest curl I've seen in the world. Whoa.
He was blind, he was sweet. When he took off his bandana, he was just as dry as me. So we went to the swap meet and got the first bites of some lunch trees. We see.
So let your front grow. I know that you want those.
Illustrious.
Running for my man.
Day coming to work, I came through this thick fog for like 10 minutes, and it was crazy, man. And so what I did, I went to the back seat, got my Lynch Mob CD, and I put this one in. I was thinking about y'all, so I'm gonna play it again for all of y'all. Gorillas in the Mist, it's the Lynch Mob, y'all.
Come down and beware of the black fist. The gorilla straight motherfucking killers in the mist. Take a shot, but you can't horse. Never thought you see some central niggas in the bars. Don't you get the chorus that shot, cause we ain't made a mess yet. Lynch Mob produce the best shit.
Coming real hard, man, bumping in your car, man. Finally caught up with a devil named Tarzan.
Swinging on the vine, sucking on a piece of swine. Jigaboo, come up from behind. Hit him with a coconut, stab him in his gut. Push him off the tree, he falls right on his nuts. And just like EPMD, I don't like a bitch named J to the A to the N-E. Can't wait to meet her, I'm gonna kill her, cause that little motherfucking cheater can't hang with a gorilla. Ooh, running for my magic. Gorillas in the mist. Ooh, running for my magic.
You try to pay me off with a banana, but JD is blacker than a city called Atlanta.
Give me some elbow room, I need some elbow room, so I can boom, shakalaka boom. That's the sound of the 20 gauge, like a soap and the Lynch Mob can break out of any cage. You never even hear of this, I'm taking care of this. Lynch Mob environmental terrorist. Fuck Craig, ape, and Magilla. I'm a killer, Magilla gorilla, ain't a killer. White boys like Godzilla, but my super nigga named King Kong played his ass like ping pong. So motherfuckers get your ding dong.
You on drugs that thing? Cause I am.
Yo, what's the deal, man?
Hey, you asked that Heiner from Sex Shop?
Yeah, that's total bullshit.
See you later.
Hey, y'all finna bounce.
Get down, home.
Hey, homie.
I love my Cuesta. It's my homie, Esther.
Yeah, that's me.
You like extra garlic on your pizza stack?
Yeah, it's great.
Later, Esther.
Alright, pimp.
What's up, Esther?
Hey, yo, what's cracking?
Hate that dude.
Teicu, vai tev nemaz būt par puķi negribas. Runci teicu, vai tev nemaz būt par puķi negribas. Runci sateica,
būt par puķi gribas man.
Runci sateica,
būt par puķi gribas man.
Tālūk, Runci mēs iestādījām dobītē. Tālūk, Runci mēs iestādījām dobītē. Iestādījām, un tā Viņām cieši piesacījām, nešurini ūsas daudz, tu pirāms un drīzāk audz. Tavu krunci mēs iestādījām dobītēm, tavu krunci mēs iestādījām dobītēm, bet lai puķe augtu skaista, tā mazrusciņ jāaplaista, bet lai puķe augtu skaista, tā mazrusciņ jāaplaista.